Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how you can code and enable a fixed header for your theme. So currently the way that the new Shopify themes work is that it does have a enable sticky header, but as you know, when you're scrolling up, the header disappears, and when you scroll down it reappears. So the aim of this tutorial is to make the header fixed by changing the codes, and as you can see, this is a fixed theme. Alright, so with this tutorial we would be changing 4 files, and the files that we're changing is the header file, the settings schema, the en schema.json file, and the theme.liquid. So what do these files do? So the theme.liquid is the file that contains all the templates that builds the website. So this is a wrapper in the theme. It contains all the HTML structure and basic styling for the theme, and it is responsible for including other necessary files such as header, footer, templates, and also for rendering content generated by the Shopify platform. And you'll find that a lot of the apps that you install on your store will also be included in the theme.liquid file. Alright, so if we go to the header.liquid, so this file is a template that defines the header section. So it defines this part of the website or the theme, and it typically includes the store's logo, any navigation menu, also includes the carts and the search. This file can be customized to match the store's branding and provide consistent navigation experience for customers as they browse the store's pages. And the last file that we will be looking, or the other 2 files, are the schema.json file. So the schema.json file is a file that is used to define the configurations of the settings available in the theme. So the configurations of the settings will create these settings. Alright, these settings here on the left side, and so that's contained in this file. And finally, the en.default.schema is the translation of the English, en is for English, translation of the text that's available on the for the settings. So if you were to change your theme language to say French, you would be editing this French fr.schema.json, but I've set my language to English, so we'll be editing this. So these are the 4 files that we'll be working with. Alright, so to start off with, let's go back to this uncustomized theme, and we're going to access the liquid file. So let's go edit, code, alright, so let's start with header.liquid. That's the first file we'll start with. Alright, so the first step is to open the header.liquid and search for enable _sticky _header. Alright, so we're actually looking for this in the schema, which is at the bottom. Alright, so under here, and what I want you to do is to delete this part out. So just totally delete that out, and make sure there's a comma between that and this. Alright, so that's all you need to do for header.liquid, and then save this file. And let's head over to settings _schema.json. Alright, so what we will do now is we will need to add the schema at the bottom. Schema underscore. Alright, so sorry, we're going to add this under this bit here. So above this bit, which is the colors portion, and then you're going to add it here. Alright, and then add a comma at the end. So that's a comma. Alright, and that's it, and save. And then the next bit is to open the en.default.schema.json. Got this here. And we're going to just minimize all these sections. Okay, just minimize settings underscore schema, sections, and then so we're going to put a comma here, comma, and paste the code. Don't worry, I will give you all the codes that you need, and then save. And that's it for all these files. Okay, I'm just going to close all the ones that I've finished working with. Make sure I've saved that. Right, and this one. And then theme.liquid. You're going to open that, and we're going to add the style. Let's have a look at the style. So, all right, so find this bit here in end style and paste the code in just above it. Okay, and finally, you need to search for these two liquid tags. Okay, so search for these two. So this is the ones that I want to. I'm going to remove these out and replace it with this one. All right, and save. Okay, so what we've done here is we've added settings in the theme settings section, and we can turn this on and off. All right, so if we head over to customize theme, the settings that we've added in would appear under the theme settings and then header, and this is where it is. So currently it's disabled, so we will fix the setting and just save. All right, so if we scroll up and down, that is now fixed on the page. And also just to note, previously under the header there was a sticky enable sticky header somewhere in here, and we've removed that so that it doesn't confuse you. And so the only setting that we need is what's under theme settings and under header. All right, thank you for your time. I will include the codes below, or a link to the codes below, and if you like this video, I would really appreciate if you like it, and also subscribe if you want to be updated with the tutorials that I have in place. All right, thanks again. Bye.